Hello everyone. You see these three figures? Try and make sentences with them. In relation to where the panda is sleeping, where is the watch, where is the cat sitting, where is the dog, where's the popcorn, and you will see that you use few special words to give the position of something. For example, the panda is sleeping on a soft pillow. The watch is lying beside him. Yes, so there are some words which tell you positions. Yes, you guessed it right. That's our topic. Prepositions. What are prepositions? Let's find out. Prepositions are words that indicates the relationship between a noun and the other words of a sentence. They explain relationships of sequence, space, logic between the object of the sentence and rest of the sentence. They help us understand order, time, connections and positions. When you see these examples, you will understand. I am going to Canada. Now, Canada is a place where this person is going to. Now, to establishes the relation and logic between the relationship of the person and Canada. Now, Alex threw a stone into the pond. Now, where did Alex throw the stone? Into the pond. When we look at the word into, we understand that the stone must have sank inside the pond, right? So, it is giving you the clue about the position of the stone in terms of the pond. The present is inside the box. You can see the position of the present is inside. So the word inside is giving you the position of the present. They have gone out of the town. Okay. So these all sentences give you the position and space, and sometimes prepositions can give you the time too. Now this is a game that we played in the online class. Okay, you must be knowing. So basic examples of time prepositions include, now preposition of time is the first preposition that we are going to study about. Prepositions, when we were in junior classes, we knew that preposition used to give the position, make you understand the position of something. But as we are in higher classes now, we know that prepositions don't just give the position, they sometimes tell the time. Most of the time they tell. Okay, like at, on, in, before and after. Now you see, at and in, they give the place too. So these are basically overlapping. The preposition words, they mean many things. So at, on, in, before and after, they can mean the position also, and they can mean the time too. They are used to help indicate when something happens or will happen. It can get little confusing though, as many different prepositions can be used. For example, I was born on July 4th, 1982. I was born in 1982. Now, when the specific date is given, you use on, but when there's just the year, you use in, because it's a 12-month across 365 days, so it can be anywhere. I was born at exactly 2 a.m. Now, when we are giving away the exact time, then we use at. So, you have to remember these rules. I was born 2 minutes before my twin brother. Now, see, before here is giving can be used in the sense of time too. I was born after the Great War ended. Now, you see so many examples. Now, when you look at these rules, you need to understand. You can pause the video and go through these rules. We went through them, and these are stating the particular rules where the preposition of time in, on and at can be used. Months and years, particular time, a century or specific time in past or future, then we use in. Then when dates, day and particular days are concerned, on, and when we are using the time of clock or precise times, we always use at. Now let's move to prepositions of place. Preposition of place describe the position of a person or thing. This we know. This is the most common use of preposition. To confuse matters a bit, the most common prepositions to indicate time, on, at, in are also the most common preposition to indicate position. I told you. Then, however, the rules are little clearer as place preposition are more rigid concepts than time preposition. Okay, time preposition concepts are more fluid. Okay, on the table, in the kennel, at the crossroads. Okay, these are the rules where we use in, on and at as preposition of place, like having some physical boundary, then we use in, surface or things, on, then specific places, at. Okay, now these are prepositions of places. All the examples you can go through them. We already know them because we use them. Now prepositions of movement. Okay, preposition of movement can be quite easy to understand as they are less abstract than preposition of time and place. They describe how something or someone moves from one place to another. Yes, most commonly used preposition of movement is to, which usually serves to highlight that there is movement towards a specific destination. Now you will look at the examples, you will understand. He was going on vacation to France. Where is he going? To France. Movement towards France. Now she went to the bowling alley every Friday last summer. Okay, I will go to bed when I am tired. I will go to the zoo if they finish their errands. Now see how many types of, how many usage of to you saw there. Okay. Now whenever you have a specific destination in mind, we use to. When we are sure about the direction, movement is in one direction, then towards, then though when you go across something, across when you go from one end to another, over when you describe something's position when it is above something else. Okay, along, movement in a line, in, something's position in relation to the area or space, on, describe something's position in relation to a surface, and into, movement causing something to hit something, go inside it. Okay, now these are very important rules. You need to learn them and remember them. Okay, now we have to choose the correct preposition. These exercises you can pause and solve and check. Yes, we'll go through them quickly. You can read it at your leisure. You can pause and you can check whether you got the correct answers or not. Yes. Now we are going to fill in the blanks with at, on and in, and you can see it's all about time. Yes, so at night. Why? Because at is used here as night is referring to various stages of the day. Okay, now the morning is just a period of the day, so here in. Yes, on New Year's Day because it is giving you a day. Then same Tuesday. Then in summer because it is referring to a period of month. Yes, complete month. So with weeks and months we use in. And then on the weekend because this is just days, Saturday and Sunday. Yes, on Sunday afternoon same, it is day. Then precise time. So at, in 19th century. With years we use, with centuries we use in. Then at the end of the program because here we are referring to a specific period of time. Yes. Now here we are going to fill the prepositions of directions. So as we read, we will keep on filling. Let's read. In order to reach my house, you must follow these directions. Walk. If you are going to a small hill, what you are going to do? You are going to walk up. Yes, it will be a steep climb. If you look across the hill, you will see a small lake. Then don't jump. Yes, you guessed it right. Into the lake. You can walk across the lake using the bridge. There is a rose garden. Walk across it. You'll find my house right in front of it. Then once you walk into my house, you will find a flight of steps leading to a basement. In the basement, look across the big hall. You will notice a statue placed on a pedestal. Climb down 2 steps to the pedestal and pick up the statue carefully and then walk towards the exit. Hope you got all the right answers. Yes, with this our preposition is done. We will practice more in class. Yes. Okay, I'll see you with the next video.